Hey dear folks, I'm Sia. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro to add a new key for 2020 XPeng P7. Next, we will use K518 Pro OBD communication cable, and the smart key need to be programmed. Okay, let's plug in the OBD communication cable to the car.
So we're going to show you this. The process of adding smart key. Select Demo and Remote. XPeng. Select P7 pin code free. Select 2020 to 2023. Smart key. Select Add smart key. Wi-Fi is connected. Click OK. A programming key will be required. Put it in the sensing area. Click OK. Number of keys programmed 2. No need to program the next one. Click Cancel. Program complete. OK. See if the key can drive normally. Hit the brakes. Start the car successfully. Let's get out of the car and test the remote control. Unlock. Lock the car. The remote control of the new key is normal.
We can start the car normally, and the remote control is normal too. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.